Wondering what a top-to-bottom deluxe VIP house cleaning includes? Hi, I'm Heather, one of the client concierges at Executive Maids. Experience the pinnacle of cleanliness with our top-to-bottom deluxe VIP house cleaning. We pride ourselves on our attention to detail, ensuring no area is left untouched. Our dedicated cleaning professionals will clean and sanitize all bathroom and kitchen surfaces, meticulously clean the inside of your oven and fridge, hand wipe every piece of furniture, and meticulously hand wash baseboards, blinds, ceiling fans, light fixtures, and more. We leave no trace of dirt or dust behind. With precision, we vacuum carpets and thoroughly clean all floors. Don't settle for anything less than the best. We will elevate your home to a whole new level of cleanliness. Give us a call to discuss your home and your cleaning needs and any questions or concerns you may have about hiring a professional cleaning service, because we are here to help you.